More than 130,000 people signed a petition to recall Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer. One America's Emily Finn explains the public outrage over the Democrat governor's handling of the coronavirus pandemic.
A Change.org petition to recall Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer goes viral over her, quote, failures during the COVID-19 crisis. Over the weekend, the petition gained more than 130,000 signatures, which accuses Whitmer of causing more Michiganders to get sick as a result of her mishandling of the ongoing outbreak. This comes as Whitmer has been under fire for her strict statewide stay-at-home order, which she has now extended to April 30th.
Now is not the time to pull back at all. It is the time to intensify. That's exactly what we're doing. As before, the order limits gatherings and travel and requires all workers who are not necessary to sustain or protect life to stay home until April 30th. The order also imposes more stringent limitations on stores to reduce foot traffic and to slow the spread of coronavirus and save lives.
Under Whitmer's extension of the stay-at-home order, Michiganders who are not considered essential workers are not allowed to leave their homes, with exceptions to care for a relative, pet, or child, to visit a nursing home, or to attend a funeral with less than 10 people present. Additionally, stores are required to limit the number of customers allowed in at a time to no more than 4 per every 1,000 square feet, with some roping off non-essential items so residents cannot purchase them. According to a local media outlet, Whitmer's office responded to the recall petition saying, quote, 1,392 Michiganders have been killed by coronavirus. The governor is doing everything she can to protect public health and safety. We're going to get through this, but the best thing we can do right now is stay home and stay safe to save lives. Michigan is one of the top states in the nation hit hardest by COVID-19, with more than 23,000 confirmed cases in the state, a majority located in the city of Detroit. Now some, like Arkansas Senator Tom Cotton, are suggesting Whitmer cares more about politics than the people of Michigan. Over the weekend, he said he understands Whitmer is auditioning to become likely 2020 Democrat presidential nominee Joe Biden's vice president pick, as Biden has promised to pick a woman as his running mate. President Trump has also weighed in on Whitmer's handling of the coronavirus in Michigan, saying she is not stepping up for her state.
Michigan, all she does is she has no idea what's going on, and all she does is say, oh, it's the federal government's fault, and we've taken such great care of Michigan.
Many Republican lawmakers criticize Whitmer for suggesting the federal government is bidding states against each other to compete for PPE and other necessary medical equipment, driving up the costs.
So we've got hospitals that are already at capacity. We're running out of PPE as well. I'm grateful we got a shipment from FEMA yesterday for 112,095 masks, but we're going to be in dire straits again in a matter of days, and so we are keeping up the pressure and working 24/7 at the state level, and grateful that there are people who are doing that at the federal level as well. But this is not something that we should be fighting each other on. It should be everyone fighting COVID-19, right. Everyone versus COVID-19.
Though it would require more than 1 million signatures to push a potential recall on the ballots, the petition certainly showcases residents' distaste with the Democrat governor's leadership. In the meantime, activists from the Michigan Conservative Coalition are reportedly planning a, quote, vehicle rally at the state's Capitol building Wednesday to protest Whitmer's stay-at-home executive order. Emily Finn, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.